engineer under the Azure School in AI and Analytics of STEAM. Today in Experiment Saturday, my topic is Marble Surface Anomaly Detection. So basically here is the problem statement is that it is very difficult to analyze manually which marble slabs are defective and which marble slabs are goods from the huge amount of slabs. So we have to detect which images are goods and which images are defective. So this is a time consuming process and it requires more human efforts. Here we need the automation and technology. So this is where we need automation and technology. So here is the solution approach of this process is we use ML algorithms and computer vision techniques and robotics process automation. So here is the solution is that by using ML algorithms and RPA we automate the whole process for detecting the marble slabs, which slabs are goods and which slabs are defective. By using RPA, we have implemented the solution that we will discuss in the views. So this is the implementation flow of marble surface anomaly detection. So here basically we have different type of marble images in a folder. So we have to detect which marble slabs are good and which marble slabs are defective from the huge amount of marble images that we have in a folder. So by using ML and computer vision techniques, we have to detect which marble slabs are goods and which marble slabs are defective. By using ML and computer vision techniques and RPA, we can automate the whole process for detecting the marble images, which images are good and which images are defective from the huge amount of slabs. So basically we automate the whole process and detected which marble slabs are good marble slabs and which marble slabs are defective marble images. So here by using the RPA and we use here the Uipath and automation tool, we run the Python script in Uipath and detect which marble slabs are goods and which marble slabs are defective from the huge amount of images. So this is the overall working flow of the solution. So in the next slide, we discuss the implementation flow of the solution. So start with the implementation part. Firstly, we create a project in Uipath called name Marble Surface Anomaly Detection. Then in the project, we install some dependencies like we install the package called name Uipath Python activity package that used for running the Python script in Uipath. So we have different programming language. So basically I choose here the Python as a programming language because this package supports the Python scope for running the Python script in Uipath. Let's discuss the activities in detail. So Uipath provide us a package, Uipath activity package. So it provides us a Python scope. For that we can use the Python script in Uipath. So my first activity is that the Python scope activity, and then I used here second activity and provide us a file path that we have to detect which type of images is it. And we have created a variable called file and assign a file path here. And then I have load the Python script that I have run in the VS Code, written in VS Code, and load the Python script with the help of load Python script activity that provided by the Uipath. So in this slide, I use invoke Python method activity that is used for calling the function from the Python script that I have written in VS Code and used by Python scope activity. And the next activity is that get Python object that I used here for getting the result as a string of the images that I have passed as a file path. Now we are moving to the result part. So this is the result part. Here I pass the good path images that we have to detect which type of images it is. So basically in the result, so we detect here it is a good marble images. So moving to the next result, here I pass the defective marble images path as a file path. And we here detect that it is a defective marble images as a result. So this is the overall result of the solution. Then at the last I will conclude the process. So RPA make automation possible and ML make prediction and detection. So it is very important for us, and with the help of RPA and automation tool we can easily automate the whole process and save the time and efforts required by the human intervention. So we can say that it is an efficient process and we can provide the quality product to the customer. Now we have covered the implementation part and see the result of the images. Now move to the use cases of the anomaly detection. So the first use case in the manufacturing industry. So anomaly detection play an important role in manufacturing industry and can be used to detect the defect in the surface of the marble so that we can provide the quality product to the customer. Second use case is that building maintenance. So anomaly detection play an important role in the building maintenance so that we can save our buildings from highly damage and cracks, and we can allow the timely repair and maintenance of the buildings. Third use case is the historical preservance, and it can be used in the historical preservance. So we have different monuments present in our day-to-day life. So we have to preserve the monuments and structure and the buildings for the future generation. So this is the use case of this overall solution. Now moving to the benefits part. This overall process have various benefits that I can discuss here. So first benefit is that it is a efficient process. Because it is an efficient process, because it required less amount of time and less effort for detection. So it is an efficient process. Benefit is that accuracy. Accuracy is because it give us the better quality product to the customer by automating the whole process. So it give us the accurate result. And third benefit is that it is a cost saving solution, because RPA automate the whole process and it required less labor. So it is a cost saving solution. Overall, how we add values to the customer by improving the efficiency, accuracy, consistency and flexibility, by improving the quality product to the customer and provide the good quality result to the customer. According to my point of view, Experiment Saturday is a good initiative taken by our organization to explore more about new and trending technology. So in my Experiment Saturday task, I explore about new tool and technology that help me a lot into my day-to-day tasks. Thank you for watching this video. I think you have learned about the new tool from this video.